So this is BALLY'S Hotel. This is a newly renovated room. They've recently done the hotel up, so I'm just going to show you what around there is. So you've got all kinds of different bedding stuff in here. You've also got a safe. You've also got ironing board, and also that too. Over here we've got the bathroom open, but it's a good door here, and it's a good sized bathroom if I'm honest. So it comes with the towels first. You find all your towels. You get more towels than this, by the way. We'll just use some. You get your towels down here. You got all kinds of areas here to be able to put stuff in. You've got, and one of my favourite features is how massive the shower is. It's also got a good head onto it, and I think that's a good sized shower. You've also got your loo there. You've also got your sink with a nice tap. I'll just run it for you so you can see how it runs. There we go. So it's a good sink, good size room. You've also got a big mirror, very American style there, in my opinion. You've also got a room here. I've no idea what's in that room. I think it's a connecting door to another room, so I don't dare try it if it's not. But if it's not, don't blame me. You've got ventilation here. And you've also got one up here, and this is probably like one of the most needed things, particularly when visiting in season with Las Vegas, is because you've got the air conditioning. Now I was trying the air conditioning, it can drop down temperatures. We had it at 67, it's cool enough. Make sure you press the fan just here, it'll put the fan on. It's quite loud, so if you don't like noise, then maybe don't put the fan on, but turn that right down, in my opinion. But it's nice and cool in here with all the warm heat. It's needed, in my opinion. Now you've got a mirror just here, right in front of your bed. You've also got a place to sit. We've used it as a good place to put your luggage on. We're staying in a resort room. I think this is just a standard room, so you get 2 double beds of good size and comfort. I slept on them. They do feel a bit firm when you press in. They do feel a bit firm. They're not as spongy as what you'd maybe think that they are, but they actually do provide a good night's sleep. And one of my favourite things about the whole hotel is just how squishy the cushions are, and look how it stays in. And so it's very good when you're wanting to sleep and put your head in, that you end up being incredibly snug, and it ended up providing a very good, in my opinion, night's sleep. Now you've got a good sized television. One of my things I liked, if you watched my Clayton Hotel at Manchester Airport, I had a big bugbear about where the television was presented. Well, I'm stood right between the 2 beds, and it's directly central. So that's good if you've got particularly someone staying in this bed and then someone staying in that bed. Over here, you got a decent sized bed table. Now I've unplugged the clock because it was just stuck on 11. I don't know if that's set with all of them, but I just unplugged it because I don't really like lights at night. Now you've got a good sized desk here. You've got a Bible in, so I didn't dare disturb anything there and put anything in there, but I put all my stuff in here. And considering I've gone here for nearly a week, I've managed to fit everything into the drawer. I think that's very good. You've got lots of area to store luggage. I will just point out, you've got a phone here, and just down here is where you've got some plug sockets to be able to plug things in if you wish. One brilliant feature, and I'm just using this lamp here, is if you just move in here, you've also got plug socket just there, and a handy USB port if you want to charge your phone. And you know how big I am, if you watch my previous videos, on having USB sockets around your bed, so you're able to use your phone at night if you're wanting to relax before you go to sleep. Now you've got a good sized lamp again here. You've got a desk and chair. You've also got a rubbish bin, and you've got a mirror. If I just bring you over here, you've got also more plug sockets and USB ports if you want to charge. There's so many about. You've also got here, this is an ice bucket. It's of decent material. I'm not sure if it's real leather or not. Just put your ice in there. If you just go down the corridor, and where there is a vending machine, you will see the ice dispenser just there. You've also got a couple of glasses if you want to enjoy whatever drinks that you wish. Now you've also got some more drawers here to be able to put your stuff in. You've also got here, if I just pull this out, you've got yourself a mini fridge. There's nothing in the fridge, so we bought our own stuff and put some drinks in there. I'm sure it will stock up as we're here over the week or so. You've also got, the room's massive, honestly, it's just massive, it's ginormous, can't believe how big it is. Another table here, comfy chair here, a big lamp here, and then you've also got your curtains, which are able to pull back just here. So I'll show you your view. If you just read this bit here, it says window opened 1 inch only for outside air. My opinion, if you're staying here in the summer, don't have your window open, just let the aircon do its job, because it's a different kind of heat if you're not used to it. So we're looking at our view So I think, don't quote me on this because I'm no expert, but I think this is also part of BALLY'S Hotel. We've got a good view of the Hilton Grand Vacations. I think we've also got over here BALLY'S, and we've also got over here is the Paris Hotel. Now, if I just zoom in, you can literally just about see, can you see that little spiral right at the top there? That's the top of the Eiffel Tower. If I was to kind of take you to the front, you'd be able to have a better view of Paris at Las Vegas. But all in all, in the view, it's not too bad. If I was just to pan down here, it's not really much of a view. So my recommendation is if you're looking down here, don't just tilt your head up and you get a better view. You've also got a nice little view of, I think, the MGM Grand just over there. You can just see it in the far distance. You've got some of the hills and mountains over there. And just in the far distance there, you can see the Bellagio Hotel, which I imagine when they've got the fountain show, we might be able to see a little bit of it, but not all of it. But it only opens for 1 inch the window, so I'm not able to lean out and get a good view. But my opinion, all in all, a very good hotel. They did say to us, for $30 at reception, we can upgrade and get an even bigger room. This room is absolutely ginormous, and trust me when I say this, you don't need a bigger room. It's huge. We've got 3 adults staying in here. There's more than enough room here for 4 adults, of course. A good hotel, friendly staff. The place is a lot bigger than what I was expecting it to be. The corridors are quite long too. I really enjoy my stay here at BALLY'S Hotel. I wasn't originally planning to stay here. I was going to stay at Flamingo. We didn't like the reviews on Flamingo, so we opted for BALLY'S instead. We recommended BALLY'S by my auntie Jackie. She stayed here loads of times before, and to be honest, bob on. Good spot from Jackie, so real happy with the hotel, real happy with everything that's come with the hotel. So hopefully we'll be able to have a good long stay here. I filmed this on my first night here, so yeah. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new around here. Check out my social media links, Twitter and Instagram, in description below. I'll have pictures coming up from Las Vegas. We've got lots more videos coming up from Las Vegas, and we're also going to be doing a night at Mandalay Bay. So I'll be taking you through a tour of their well, their hotel, resort and room, and I'm also going to have separately coming up a tour of BALLY'S Resort. So stay tuned for that one if you are interested, and I'll see you all again for the next video. Peace. Ciao for now.